Are you ready to join the digital age and make your pharmaceutical production more efficient and profitable? We'd venture to guess you've experienced problems related to serialization and track and trace mandates, long changeovers and cleanups, unpredictable failures and downtimes, highly volatile customer demand, and ever-changing production schedules. Supply Chain Wizard can help you with all of these concerns quickly and easily. Utilizing the power of Internet of Things, IoT technologies, along with tools such as our scheduler, OEE tracker, digital logbook, and labor tracker. We'll help you improve efficiency and increase your revenues while reducing costs and time to market. Specifically, our state-of-the-art digital factory solutions will help you reduce costs via improved efficiency and reduced cycle times, increase revenues via improved utilization and increased capacity, improve quality and compliance via anomaly detection, notifications, and alerts, and reduce time to market via digital reporting and fast decision support systems. Why wait? Take advantage of our pharmaceutical manufacturing expertise and let Supply Chain Wizard help you launch your digital transformation program. Reach out so we can get started.